Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to start the engine in maintenance mode in Toyota RAV4. Okay, so let's begin. First we need to click the power button 2 times, so once and now twice. Now we need to hit the gas pedal 2 times, really hard. Okay, now we need to switch the gear into the neutral, but we need to hold the brake at the same time. So hold the brake, switch into the neutral. Now again we need to hit the gas 2 times. Now we need to go back into the parking mode, but we don't need to hold the brake right now. Again, we need to hit the gas. And now we need to hold the brake and hold the power button. And now the engine starts. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.